I'm getting kind of hungry, and you're watching Mikey FPV fly drones around. Pretty cool.
What's going on, guys? So it's been a bit since I've uploaded, but moved in a new home, trying to get everything set up, trying to get my office set up, trying to get everything all ready to go for to make some new content and stuff. I need to release the HTLRC giveaway winner, so you get to watch a little bit of a freestyle, and then the giveaway winner is at the end of the video. The video is on the way, and half of them are edited. Just trying to find time to do it. So yeah, thanks again, guys. Hope you enjoy.
Yo, real nigga. Brand new truck, butter sauce seat, 4-point something with a low ride something. Ain't nothing better than to ride out the hood with it. Who looking better? And damn, you looking good in it. Take a chance with a nigga in the choice ride. Listen to the CDs I play inside. Mos Def, J Prince and Stevie, Marvin Gaye, Led Zeppelin and Biggie. And when the evening is over, love, gonna find a nice spot for the rover, love. Do things to make the man in the moon blush. My mind race, but I tell my waist don't rush. Use an upper echelon piece, so when you find it's a stash, then you don't freak. You wanna nibble on a nigga ear, and do all the things that make a nigga wanna get near. Oh, I'm a Queens representative. Get wild by any means, my incentive is. When we done, I start it up again, and ride around with you, cause you my special friend. Me and you, I think we should ride. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't worry, just come get inside. Come on, come on, come on, come on. The second part, my ride is like art. We get creative in it when we take it out and spin it. The back seat is the canvas we paintin' on. Abstracted work we creatin' on. The TV's in the back and the dash too. Got Miss napkins and bamboo. Don't worry, the tin's past the legal one. Outcast banging loud in my eardrum. The way the wheels spin, cutting through the still wind. Outsiders looking in with the ill grin. Fuel injected, brand new inspected. Emissions got tested, details perfected. Got the armor all touched, empty out the Dutch. No tobacco.